Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Hart here. We're going to be going over the vocab for today's center activity. We have 8 words: carved, clues, grand, landmark, massive, monument, national, traces. The first word is carved. Ooh, look at this pretty picture of the Grand Canyon. Whoop, whoop. A strong river carved this canyon out of rock. Carved means to cut something into a shape. Sometimes humans will use a knife to carve a piece of wood into a cool toy or a statue. This river carved the canyon to look like this. Carved means to cut something into a shape. Our next word is clues. These paw prints are clues that a dog walked here today.
Clues. Clues are pieces of information that help answer a question.
Yep. Clues are pieces of information that help answer a question. What clues tell you that it might rain? Probably some dark clouds, don't you think? Grand. Diane sat and gazed at the grand view of the river. Grand means good or excellent. An easy way to remember this: grand means good. Both of the words start with G. Grand usually means more than good, means great, excellent, awesome. What do you think would make a grand view? Maybe the Grand Canyon? I think sunsets in Hampshire make a grand view. Landmark. The Statue of Liberty is an American landmark. A landmark is an important building, structure, or place. Usually landmarks are so important that people will often go visit them. The Sears Tower or the Willis Tower in Chicago is a Chicago landmark. People will go there and they'll visit it. So is the Hancock Tower in Chicago, which, if you go to 5th grade at Hampshire Elementary, you might visit that. Washington, D.C. is full of landmarks like the White House and the Capitol Building and the Washington Monument. All of these are landmarks. Remember, landmarks is an important building, structure, or place. Massive. The boaters looked at the massive stone cliffs. If you look closely, you can see the boulders right there. Look how small they are compared to this massive cliff. Looks like there's a lighthouse at the very top. Massive means very, very large. Can you think of a synonym for massive? Moving on to our next one, we have monument. This monument honors the leaders of our country. Do you know what monument this is? If you said Mount Rushmore, nice job. A monument is a building or statue or other object made to honor a person or event. Usually, if we have a very good president or leader, they will make a monument or a statue for that person. Or they might even name a big building after that. We also have monuments for events, like there is a World War II monument in Washington, D.C., and a Vietnam War monument. Things like that will have monuments as well. Hot dogs. National. The 4th of July is a national holiday.
National. Something that is national, has a characteristic of, or has to do with a country or the people of the nation.
So national is another word for nation. Nation is, so if something is national, it belongs to a nation. So we do our countries of the month, and in America, we have a national bird, which is the bald eagle. We also have some national food here in America: hot dogs, apple pie. All of those foods are really associated with our nation. Germany has some national food too, like sausages and pretzels and Spritzen. Those are all national. The Mexican national flag is green, white, and red, and has a bird, an eagle, eating a snake on a cactus. It is its national flag. It is the characteristics that has to do with that country. National is a tough word. Traces. In the morning, we found traces or small amounts of snow on the plants.
Traces. Traces are small bits or signs left behind that show that something was there.
Traces are small bits or signs left behind that show that something was there. When I think about traces, I always think of the word clues. I think traces and clues go hand in hand. They should be synonyms for each other. In this case, they're little clues that it was cold last night because there's frost on that leaf. And we're back to our first word. Those are our 8 words, our 8 vocabulary words. Good luck on the worksheet. If you need to, rewatch this video. Have a great day.